So I got a box here of Walls Outdoor Goods clothing. I'm gonna lay them all out and show you what I got. So these are the Ditch Digger Pros. I've reviewed the All Season 12. These are the Pros. The Pros are just a little bit thicker. They still have the stretch material. They still have the smooth move waist, but just a little bit heavier weight for colder temperatures. So these are the Mason Duck work bib overalls. I reviewed the Frost insulated pair. This is a non-insulated pair. Still a thick material, so be very durable, but a lighter weight for a little bit warmer weather. I'll be excited to check those out and do a full review on those. So these are the Grit heavyweight short sleeve t-shirts, and you can see I've got a few colors here. They have, I believe it is 11 different colors, so lots to choose from, but they are a thicker cotton t-shirt. They have a little bit of a reflective liner right there on the side of the pocket, so that's cool. So yeah, a bunch of different colors, and look, where is it? Under the sleeve in the armpit is a mesh vented, so that's nice. And this one here is the Grit 2. It's a long sleeve t-shirt. So the same thing, still has the vent in the armpit, and it's just a long sleeve version. So nice.